Hi, today we are going to learn how to set up an expiration date for a download. The plugin CM Downloads Manager allows you to set up the expiration date for each download. It means that the download will not be available for downloading after the specific date. The expiration date can be configured in two ways. First, the admin can set up the amount of days and the download will be automatically deleted after a specified period of time after first download. Second, the author of the download can decide on his own which expiration date to set up for the download. To configure it, navigate to CM Downloads Pro Settings. The crucial options that we need are located under the tab Upload page in the section Features. So let's consider two methods of setting up the expiration date. Find the option Time period after which the download will be deleted after first download. To enable it, you need to set the amount of days which should pass after first download to delete this download. Let's set it for 3 days, for example. Then click the button Save Settings. Now let's see the result on the front end. When the download is created and somebody downloads it for the first time, there will appear a field that shows the expiration date. In our case, it will be the date 3 days after the first download. Another way, you can let the download author set up the specific expiration date for his download. In the same place in plugin settings, find and turn on the option Enable Download Expiration. Have a note that the option Time period after which the download will be deleted after first download must be disabled. Set 0 to disable it. Now click the button Save Settings. After this, the field for setting up the expiration date will appear in the upload form on the front end. The download author will be able to set the specific expiration date for his download. When the download is created, the expiration date will be visible on the download page in the field Expiration. The plugin has a few more additional settings for configuring the expiration date. You can change the order how the fields are placed in the upload form. It can be configured in plugin settings under the tab Upload page in the section Fields Arrangement. By default, the field for expiration date is placed at the end of the form, and it has an order number 29. For example, if you want to place it at the beginning of the upload form, you can change its value to 1, and the field that already has this value change to another one. It is possible to send an email notification in the case when the download should expire after passing some days. The options for this email notification can be found under the tab Notifications in the section Other. The email will be sent only to the user who downloaded the file first, except the download author. The options are: Enable notification about file expiration. Turn on this option to send the email notification when the file is downloaded for the first time and the expiration date is set up. This email notification works only if the option Time period after which the download will be deleted after first download is enabled. New downloading notification subject and body. Edit the subject and body of the email. You can use the shortcodes that you can see on the screen for adding dynamic content to subject and body of the email. You can edit the labels that are displayed in the upload page and download page. Navigate to the tab Labels. The labels that are related to the upload form can be found in the section Upload. First label Upload File Expiration field is responsible for the name of the field. Second label Upload File Expiration field description is responsible for a description that appears in the tooltip. One more label can be found in the section Other. The label Expiration is displayed on the download page. Don't forget to click the button Save Settings after editing the options. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to set up expiration dates for downloads. Thanks for watching the video.